Hi, in my last video, I introduced you to a digital pattern making website. And I told you that if you want to actually learn CAD dress pattern drafting, it is best you first get your feet wet with these digital pattern drafting websites. Because number one, they are user friendly. And then number two, they are not so complicated. Number three, you get to understand how to use PDF patterns, how to download PDF patterns, how to put them together, how to generate digital patterns. That is, you just step into it. You get your fingers wet without any form of calculations, without any form of very long learning curve. So I introduced you to a particular website, CAD pattern drafting website in my last video. You can watch that video below this video. It's in my playlist, the playlist that I call pattern drafting for the beginner. It's below that. All my playlists are directly below this video. Hi, my name is Enorita James. Welcome to my channel. In my channel, I take you by the hand and I teach you how to transit from manual dress pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. If that is what interests you, then welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to create your own Avator. Avator that is your body shape, Avator that has all your body measurements that you can actually design your digital patterns on. And we are still going to be using that same website that we used in my last video. If that is what interests you, stay tuned and let's get started. To get our custom Avator for our body type, we are going to be using a website called iClo. Once you put in iClo on the Google, it takes you to this online pattern making website. And once you land on it, you need to register. This is my own account. You need to register with your name and your Gmail. You can go ahead and maybe see what it does. As I said, in my last video, I took you through all this, showing you what you can do with iClo. Then once you come here, you come to create. And then you see new design and new Avator. It's always best to create an Avator before you think of creating a design on your Avator. So we are going to be clicking new Avator. And here, we're going to give our Avator a name. I'm going to just give it a name. And then your measurements depends on you. Are you going to leave it in centimeters? Are you going to leave it in inches? So you can change it here. I'm going to do mine in centimeters. And then what size are you? If you know your size, you can put it here. Is it a US size you're going to be using or EU size you're going to? Me, I'm normally EU 44. So I can just put EU there. So what size is that? I'm going to be using size 44. So you discover that when you do that, it automatically gives you the measurements. You don't even need to put in any measurement. What I'll normally do is to go through these measurements and compare it with my measurements. If there's anyone I need to adjust to fit my body shape, I will just do it. So I won't advise you to leave it just like that because these are custom measurements, really. And most times, custom measurements do not really give you your exact body form. So what you will do, once you put in your size, if you know your size, if you do not know your size, just get into Google and look for size charts. If you look for some size charts, they can give you measurements, and then you can just check those measurements and see the one that is your size. You can use US size or you can use EU size, depends on you, whichever one you want to use. I like using this method. You can as well decide to put your measurements without this, but if you use this method, it's faster. So you need to be entering it one by one. Like now, my height is 173. I have 172 here, which I can just easily change. I'll just go to this arrow and increase it. Or I just go here and just put 173. That's all. And it will adjust the Avator for you to show your body shape. So that's how easy it is. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go through, and then please go here for additional measurements. This measurements for me is too small. Go here, down here, you get additional measurements, you know. And then I think I will go back again because I need these measurements to be in all these places. So I quickly do that, go back again and start all over and put additional measurements before I choose my size so that I'll have all these measurements in here, and then I can adjust it the way I want. And now if you're taking your measurements and you don't know how to take it, if you come to this small icon here and click on it, they will show you exactly how to take the measurements so that you ensure that whatever a vector that you're going to be developing to use for your designs is going to be exactly your body type or your body figure. So go ahead and do that. Put in your measurements, and then we'll be ready to move to the next stage. I've added all the measurements from a customer. I've used the customer's measurement to do it. I see that as you add it, it will be adjusting itself. For instance, let's say I didn't add this. Let's say this was 0, put 81. Let me remove this. Which one? Let me remove this. 67. You see, it adjusts itself. So when I now add that 67, it adjusts itself again. So you see, as you add the measurement, the vector will adjust itself to that body form. So that's it. Once you've added the measurement, either your own measurement or the measurement of a customer that you want to make the dress for, you're now done. And remember to signify whether it's a female or a male. So please remember, my customer is a female. So I've done that. And I've ticked here to set it as a default Avator. That means if the dress I'm going to make, I'm going to be using it as my default Avator. So now once you've done that, you come here and we save the Avator. So our Avator is saved. As you can see here, Avator saved successfully. Now you can go ahead and create a project. But I'm not going to create a project in this video because that will make this video very long. This video is just to show you how to create your Avator. And so with that, I've come to the end of this video. But before I end this video, I always want to let you know that this particular website is for you if you just want to learn about digital patterns. But if you really want to be serious and you want to create your own patterns from scratch using a completely free CAD pattern drafting software, I have a playlist where I take you through how to use Simly 2D pattern drafting software. It's a completely open source CAD pattern drafting software. I take you through how to use it, how to download it, how to generate your patterns. Because the limitations of this kind of website is that you're limited to their own designs. You cannot do any kind of design by yourself. You need to use the designs they already have. But if you want to get into the business of even selling your patterns as digital products, you need to generate your own patterns from scratch. So if that interests you, then check out my playlist, which I'm going to show you just before I conclude this video. This is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. And if you are watching any of my videos, including this one that you're watching, let me just click one of these videos. So I'll show you how to get to my playlist where you will learn from scratch how to design your very own patterns from scratch using a completely free CAD pattern drafting software. Okay, so once you're on any of my videos, if you scroll down and click on more, including this video you're watching, if you look at more and you scroll down here, you can decide to buy me some coffee if you want. If you appreciate what I'm doing for you and to the community, you can decide to buy some of my digital patterns. I sell digital patterns on my e-commerce store. Or if you just landed on my channel and you want to learn CAD pattern drafting completely free. Incidentally, you can also join my newsletter. I have a lot of freebies here to give out. You can join any of, click that to join my newsletter. Or you scroll down and now check out my playlist. This very first one, simply 2D free CAD pattern drafting software. This very one is very rich, especially if you really, really want to learn CAD pattern drafting from scratch using a completely free CAD pattern drafting software called Simly 2D. Everything you need is in this playlist. I have over 25 videos, I think 29 videos right here. I have 29 videos on this, taking you through how to download it, how to start it, how to enter measurements, how to draft. Anything you want to do that has to do with digital pattern drafting, you can get it in this playlist. And it's completely free. I am not selling it. And this is something people will pay a lot of money to learn. I'm giving it out free. All I'm asking is just a little token to buy me coffee and to subscribe to my channel. Because this is a lot. I did a lot of work here. Very super free resource for you if you want and you're serious to learn CAD pattern drafting. So that is it. That's my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in doing that, then subscribe to the channel so that whenever I upload any of these interesting and informative videos, you'll be the first to be aware. With that, I've come to the end of this video where I took you through how to create an avatar of your body shape or your customer's body shape to be able to design, do digital um, pattern design using that custom avatar. In my next video, we're going to do a little design using the same website, and then we'll be using the avatar we created today in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe.